I'm meteorologist Melissa Nord, and this is the latest on Hurricane Jose as of Saturday morning. Back to hurricane status after overnight, and we're watching Jose as it works its way up the coast over the next couple of days. On the East Coast, there will be some impacts potentially Monday through Wednesday of this upcoming week. In terms of our Delmarva beaches, rough surf, rip tides, beach erosion going to be an issue. And also, we're talking about some wind gusts possible above tropical storm force. That's 39 miles an hour or more right along the coast. And again, overnight it did regain that hurricane status. And as of the early morning advisory, currently 80 mile per hour maximum sustained winds. Now, here's the latest track from the National Hurricane Center. Jose will be turning more due northward over the next several hours and into the overnight. And you see, as we go into Tuesday and Wednesday, the coastline jets out. Hurricane Jose is not necessarily any further to the west, but because our coastline jets out, we're going to be close to that cone of uncertainty. This cone of uncertainty represents where the center of Jose will be, but the impact will be felt outside that cone of uncertainty. So in terms of timing, it's going to be Monday night throughout your Tuesday that will feel the greatest impacts along the coast. I want to take you into the futurecast and show you the timing for all of this. Here we are Sunday evening, and you notice here we are up in Ocean City, Washington, D.C., Norfolk. Jose's still well down to the south and east, but they're starting to feel the impacts out towards Hatteras. We'll go into Monday throughout the day, and still the strongest winds well offshore, and they'll stay offshore throughout the duration of the event. But Tuesday, really early in the morning, and Monday night as well, that's when Jose will be the closest to our Delmarva beaches. So we'll start to see the wind gusts picking up a bit. It's possible if Jose is a little bit closer to the coast, we'll also be dealing with some of the outer rain bands possibly, and then we'll get more cloud cover as well. And that cloud cover may extend into the Washington, D.C. area. Pausing things noon on Tuesday. This is our American model, the GFS model, and it is showing some of the outer rain possibly on the coast, along with the wind gusts picking up on the coast as well. We're talking about beach erosion that's going to be possible with waves battering the coast and a high risk of rip currents. Things will turn up towards Cape Cod. Be a dicey situation up there towards Tuesday night and Wednesday. I want to show you some of the forecast wind gusts, and this is just one of many models that we look at, but it shows you that the strongest winds in red there, that's where the hurricane force winds are, those stay offshore. But look into Monday night, 9 o'clock. We've already got some wind gusts 35 miles an hour in Ocean City. They'll be picking up on Tuesday. We've got tropical storm force gusts. And into Tuesday afternoon, we'll keep those tropical storm force gusts as well. Now, there are no official watches or warnings issued for the area, but the National Hurricane Center said likely later today on Saturday, they will start to issue some tropical storm or hurricane, whatever they may do, watches along the coast. Probably be a tropical storm watch if I had to guess. So just to recap, coastal impacts from Jose along Delmarva, time frame Monday evening throughout your Tuesday as well. Rip currents, larger swells in the ocean, waves battering the coast. That means we're talking about beach erosion. And if Jose is ever so slightly closer to the coast, where the center of Jose is, we'll be talking about maybe some of the outer bands bringing a little bit of rain, and that's when we get the gustier winds in the area. That northeast wind will lead to beach erosion. We'll keep updating this and have another updated forecast coming up later today.